How to create a preventive maintenance plan. Planning more preventive maintenance or corrective maintenance isn't always better. Doing preventive maintenance just to increase your planned maintenance percentage can be costly, a poor use of time, and lead to post-maintenance breakdowns. Creating a good preventive maintenance plan is all about fine-tuning the frequency of maintenance so that you schedule a preventive maintenance task only when it's necessary. It's crucial to find the right balance between doing a scheduled maintenance task too often, expensive and risky, and not often enough you're likely to miss failures between inspections. Preventive maintenance software also allows organizations to gather data on preventive maintenance work orders to report on or optimize those activities, and set maintenance KPIs to work towards. AI-powered work order software takes this analysis to the next level by combing through thousands of PMS to find the ones that are leading to breakdowns, delays, and other problems so you can fix them quickly.